your tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification. Friends, I hope you're aware that we have 3 YouTube channels. One is Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, Tarot Reader Shefali in English, and Spirituality Decoded. So I hope you have checked out my channel Spirituality Decoded also. Now in this video we are going to speak about monthly predictions for October 2020. Let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Geminis, welcome to October 2020 prediction for people who are born from 21st of May to 20th of June. Let us see what is in cards for you. We'll start with what kind of energy will be surrounding you in October 2020. We have door to the value energy card which is in upright position, which is suggesting that you might be blessed with a lot of money and monetary gain. So there is some money expected to come your way and you will be able to get benefit out of that money power. So overall it's a positive energy, I must say, and you are a light worker and earth is going to teach you about love, who has come to earth to teach about love. So basically the card is suggesting angels are advising you to spread love. They are advising you to spread sanity in the atmosphere. They are saying that you are blessed with the monetary power. Vitamin M is going to flow in your life in the current month, which is a positive sign. You might also be able to develop your intuition power. So though there is some blockage, but you will be advised or guided to develop your intuition power, is what the message is, because we have psychic development as a message, as a chakra advice card message, as well as we have hermit in the reverse. So somebody who is in the senior position in your life might be misguiding you, or your own intuition is misguiding you. So just try to seek the right advice from your inner self, from your higher self. Try to connect with it, because you're not able to connect with it. Somewhere you are failing to take certain decisions in life in the coming month. So just be aware on that side. Coming to your relationship, we have Tower in the upright position, which shows a shaky relationship. So there is a possibility that you are going to go through a big transformation phase in your relationship segment, where you might feel that there is a lot of argument happening, or there is a downfall of the relationship, lot of arguments, lot of fights, lot of distancing, dissatisfaction, ignorance, or feeling of lack of love might happen in the might be experienced by you in the relationship. Now this could be your husband wife relationship, it could be partners, it could be your distant relatives or near relatives. So just depending on your situation that you're going through, pick and choose the advice. As you're aware that this is a general reading, I try to give maximum possible options which the card is suggesting. So basis your situation, you have to pick and choose the advice. The advice for you here is listen to your inner voice. So whatever the situation looks like, however worst the situation looks like in the current in the coming month, where or in the month of October, where you might feel that your relationships are going helter-skelter, listen to your inner voice, and that inner voice is going to guide you through the situation on how to tackle the relationship in the best possible way. Coming to your career, we have Four of Cups in the reverse position. This card is suggesting that somewhere you are ignoring the opportunity at your hand and were trying to eye on something which is inaccessible to you, because of which you were stuck in the job you were, or environment, either in the current job, or you were not having a job in hand, but you were somewhere eyeing to something else, and because of which you were not taking any action, though you had an opportunity at hand. It could be with regards to job, with business situation, or with the education segment. But now what the circumstances are changing, and in the month of October you will get more realistic. You will grab onto the opportunity that comes to you, and it is going to be a good and decent opportunity. So you will take it up and you will take it, make it your you will make it as as your first step towards the success and towards reaching your future goals. Just be aware of politics. Neither should you enter into any unnecessary politics, nor should you allow anybody to exercise political environment around you. Otherwise you might get dragged in the wrong situation, wrong way, by wrong people. So just be a little smart, careful, and careful on whom you trust upon. Especially a male figure might be acting a little smart or masking himself to be your friend, but might not be a well-wisher. So just be a little careful on that front. Overall, it's looking like a good time when you are becoming little realistic in your expectations in career. Coming to your finances, friends, we have Three of Wands in the reverse position, which is suggesting that somewhere you're financially stuck. You were expecting certain closures, you were waiting for certain closures to happen, but things are not shaping up, and there could be further delay in the decision making, or you could come out of it. But then majorly I can see the delay, because the dream card is suggesting us that somewhere you're still in that over expectation mode or a dreamy mode, because of which you're not able to tackle your financial situation in the best possible way, because of which you will have to wait for some more time for things to shape up. Coming to your health card, we have Queen of Pentacles in the upright position. Now this card suggests that somewhere you will be taking care of your health. Either you will be taking care of health, or some lady in authority who is very important to you, either your mother, your daughter, elder daughter. It could be your wife, it could be your friend or a girlfriend, who is going to really take care of you and pamper you, and give you the rightful treatment and rightful nourishment across the journey. So overall, your health will be taken care of. You'll be getting right kind of medication, and you will be taken care of. Just participate in the medication process. Like if somebody is trying to take care of you, let them take care of you and cooperate with them, and only then you will be able to heal yourself faster. Overall, we can see that from spiritual health perspective, again, you will be blessed with a good psychic sense. However, there could be somebody who is guiding you in the wrong direction, or your own intuition or thoughts guiding you in the wrong direction, because we have Hermit reversed here. So just be aware, try to be connected with your inner soul in a very rightful way. So just try to, wherever you feel you're going in the wrong direction, stop yourself and just divert your energies in the right direction. That is the only way to help you be on track. I hope, friends, that this reading really helps you to plan the coming month. A very good luck to you. Friends, I really hope that this video will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. If you're looking for a personalized appointment, you can connect with me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, which is given in on the screen. You can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook account, and my YouTube channel. Of course, I'm very active on my Instagram and Facebook page also. So you can drop me a message if you're looking for some appointment or some query. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and families. These are free videos. It can really help them, guide them if they align with the spread. Don't forget to comment on my videos. Your comments really help me to get your feedback, and in improvisation, if you need anything, any topic you want me to cover. And I'm really thankful to all those people who are already part of my journey as subscribers, and those who are going to join us ahead. A very, very good luck to all of you.